Meaning of homie.
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 Homie. Homie is a slang term used to refer to a close friend or companion, often someone from the same neighborhood or with whom one shares a strong bond. The word originated from homeboy, which is a term used in African American vernacular English. Today, the word has become more mainstream and is used across different cultures and communities. It's often used in casual conversations or when addressing a friend in a friendly or informal manner. In essence, it's a term of endearment that signifies closeness and familiarity between two people.